I'm assuming that you may want to change the font that this is in. So let me click off of it for a minute. Let me just kind of click here. So if I come down here, click on this form, go to Style, and if I scroll down and go to Labels, now I can change I can change some things here. So if right now it's using the accent, but you can change it to text, you could change it to your secondary, you could change it to your primary. But anyways, I'm going to put it back on accent and update it so that you can go ahead and make those changes that you like. And for the submit button at the bottom, you would go down here and you could then format that submit button to look like how you want it to look as opposed to how it looks now. So you can, if it has a background, the text color, what type of border it has, so you and the typography on that as well. So you can make those changes, and I think that will help. And once you change the font on your labels, this won't be so big. Most likely it's this large because it's assuming that somebody's going to be typing in this kind of font. So if you want to change the inputs again, so the input would be when people are typing in here, you can just go down to input and text area and then choose what font you would want in there. I hope this helps.